Iron ore and pellet export shipments from India have seen a considerable drop in FY22. In this vlog, we shall have a close look at the export volumes, factors behind the drop and a near-term outlook. India's iron ore export shipments were recorded at 15.28 million tons in FY22, falling sharply by 67% year-on-year as against 46.45 million ton in FY21. Why did iron ore exports drop? Lower Chinese buying. China continued to be the largest importer of iron ore from India at 15.02 million ton in FY22. However, exports to China witnessed a sharp fall of 65% on the year. Indian iron ore export volumes remain on the lower side due to the Winter Olympics in China, a period during which the country witnessed stringent steel production curbs and preferred high-grade ore, especially lump and pellets, due to environmental concerns. Odisha-based miners remain active in liquidating their low-grade ore stocks in the last fiscal, which pulled up the total volumes in FY21. NMDC's long-term iron ore export contracts with Japanese steel mills and South Korea's POSCO was scrapped as the key SOP of reduced 10% export duty from March 21 was removed as against the normal 30% paid by private iron ore exporters. Thus, no exports to Japan and South Korea were recorded. All these factors resulted in drop of iron ore exports. In FY22, Rungta Mines was the largest iron ore exporter at 3.95 million ton, followed by Fomento Resources and Vedanta at 1.3 million ton and 1.2 million ton respectively. Now, let's analyze the pellet export volumes. India's pellets export shipments were recorded at 11.17 million ton in FY22, a significant fall of 19% year-on-year as against 13.85 million ton in FY21. Rashmi Metallics was the largest pellet exporter in FY22 at 2.18 million ton, followed by KIOCL and BRPL at 2.04 and 2.02 million ton respectively. The key factors behind drop in pellet exports were limited Chinese buying on preference to lumps. China continued to be the largest importer of pellets from India at 7.44 million ton in FY22. However, exports to China witnessed a decrease of 33% year-on-year compared to 11.04 million ton in the corresponding period last year. Indian pellet export volumes remain on the lower side in FY22 due to consumption controls, reduction of greenhouse gas emissions in the steel industry, and steel production curbs in China, which boosted preference for iron ore lumps. Since lumps have better cost performance than pellets, the proportion of lumps usage increased. Higher iron ore production in China. China's domestic run-on-mines production increased to 958.99 million ton in CY21 against 867.45 million ton in CY20. Higher domestic realizations. Steel Mint's pellet export index stood at $168 per ton in FY22. On the other hand, Steel Mint's domestic pellet index was recorded at 13,250 INR per ton DAP Raipur in the period under review, showing higher realizations in domestic bookings. With prices rising significantly, Indian pellet makers turned aggressive in domestic sales amid lower exports realization. Outlook. Indian iron ore exports from Eastern India may remain largely range-bound. However, market sources are eyeing the final decision on the resumption of exports from Goa and Karnataka, with the hearings scheduled in the Supreme Court soon. For more such updates, stay tuned to www.steelmint.com.